I'm Professor Rogacs. Welcome to an Introduction to Critical Thinking. In this course, we'll go over the basics of argumentation. That includes how to recognize different types of claims, how to recognize different types of arguments, how to evaluate the credibility of claims and sources, and how to critically evaluate whether an argument contains logical flaws. It might seem counterintuitive to have to take a course on how to think well. But just like every other skill in life, thinking requires learning the fundamentals, building a skill set, and consistently practicing that skill set. Think of it sort of similar to playing tennis or playing the piano. Although many of us are born with the ability to be able to pound the keys on a piano, that doesn't necessarily mean that that ability will produce a good sound. It takes a lot of time practicing the fundamentals of how to play the piano and consistently reinforcing that skill set. And after a little while, you'll learn how to play a song or two. Similarly with a sport. I might be able to run around a tennis court and wave a racket. That does not mean I'm going to play tennis well. But hopefully, if I exercise over time, I learn the skills of how to swing the racket correctly, and I keep on trying, eventually I might win a game or two. Critical thinking is the same. We have to learn those skills, and most importantly, practice those skills consistently until we become proficient at things like forming well-reasoned arguments and recognizing the logical flaws in other people's arguments that we might hear from friends or family or the media. So that's what we'll be doing over the next few weeks in this course, building up a skill set, practicing that skill set, and then honing that craft until we're able to produce well-reasoned arguments of our own. I welcome you to this adventure, and it's my privilege to be leading you in this online discovery of critical thinking.